Konnichiwa, Roxanne des, and I'm so happy because I just got my October Japan crate and it came early. It's been coming like in the middle of the month lately, but this one came early, and of course it's the best one because it's the Halloween Japan crate. Here's my audience while I do this. They always sit and watch. Hey baby, you gonna watch too? You watching? Yeah. So we're gonna go through everything that's in the box. I'm gonna try to do it fast, especially since my camera will overheat. And this one is the Pokemon Halloween Party Pack. You can see that there. We got this cool rainbow thing, Fruits Monster Rainbow. This one's gonna be fun. We got, Kitkat, which I think may have melted. Kitkat is extra, it's apple pie Kitkat. Purple. Why? And we got some Pocky. Lovely Halloween chocolate Pocky. We've got, looks like Umaibo, but I don't think it is Umaibo. It's Halloween chocolate bat, so it looks like a baseball bat, not a bat. We've got the caramel milk tea. Don't know if I'm gonna like this one. I usually don't like milk tea, but if I don't, my husband will. We do have Umaibo, and it's natto flavored, if you know what natto is. Genki Hunter soft candy. Interesting. We got these. These are always good. They look like the little shell things. These are Takenoko no Sato strawberry shortcake. I love these because they look like little worms. They're always good. Japanese chestnut blanc caramel corn for this one. We've got these little rock candies. This time they're black for Halloween. We've got some kind of soda gummy, grape soda gummy. We've got Mickey Mouse here. I don't see Mickey Mouse on my list. I don't know. Maybe it's an extra. Jelly. Yummy jelly. Probably great. Got strawberry, little tiny ice cream strawberry here. Cute little teddy bear. I'm sure this is probably gum. Gurashi gum. Yep, gurashi gum. Hopefully you can see it. This is Donguri gum, soda flavored. Again, they like soda flavor. And then we have these Choco Balls. Choco Balls, peanut Choco Ball Halloween pack. Awesome. Let's get to trying them. Time to start tasting some of these candies. I'm not going to taste all of them. I'm not going to do this one because it has liquidy stuff you got to pour, so it's going to be messy. And I'm not going to do Umaibo because I've already had this one in a couple other videos. And hard candies and gum I'm not going to do, so sorry. Can't do all of them. I don't want to waste the gum because I'll have to spit it out. And the hard candies take forever. But we're going to start with, as always, with the drink. And this is the caramel milk tea. It's got a strange licorice undertone to it. I guess that's what that is. I don't know. I can drink it. I think if I drink a lot of it, probably close to halfway through, I'm gonna be like, Ugh. But at first it's okay. But I think over time it's gonna get, I don't like that. Okay. We'll go for Kitkat. I've opened these up to help speed it up a little bit. They're a little bit melted still because my husband just brought them in from the mailbox. I get a little bit of apple pie taste. Yeah, I can see it. This one, there's a little yokai on it. A little chocolate bunny, kind of reminds me of a cereal. These are good. They do remind me of cereal. Maybe Count Chocula? Something like that. Which I did finally find a box of Count Chocula. Yay! So happy. Alright, so we're going to try this strawberry. And then we're going to take a break because my camera's about to turn off. Oh, very marshmallowy and spongy. But it does taste like strawberry. It's good. This one that looks like little worms when you're eating it. I always love these. I don't think I've eaten any that I didn't like it. The green one was my favorite though. Awesome, I love these. These do taste like caramel. They're crunchy, sweet, very tasty. Clean up a little bit. Okay, so we got the jelly. And we bought some of these from Don Quixote. Not this brand, a different brand. I think I still have them. I don't know if they go bad. It's been 2 years since we went. But here we go. Yep. Cola, for sure. Sorry. Then we got the Mickey Mouse. It looks just to be a piece of chocolate. Luckily, it did not melt. Still, it's soft though. Yep. Normal chocolate. Tastes like those ones you get that are coins and you take the paper off. Just like that. Here's the cola bottle. I really like grape. But that's what that is. It's grape. Trying to go through these fast because my camera keeps heating. So this is the chocolate bat. I think it's foamy on this inside if I remember. Yeah. But it's like a bread foam, not a regular foam, which is kind of interesting. Ooh, we're hooked up on shirt now. Alright. We got the Pocky. Purple Pocky. Pink, not purple. Strawberry flavored. They love strawberry. They're very sweet strawberry Pocky. Now this is cute. It's got little cat heads all over it. It is the Choco Balls. And they made it through shipping even though it's 90 degrees in October. And they have a peanut flavor in the middle. Like a real peanut flavor, not like a candy peanut. But there's no actual peanut in it. We got these black rock candy kind of thing. They taste like pure sugar, which is probably what they are. Alright. We have these little mushroom things. They got strawberry on the outside. Very good. I like those. And last, I'm gonna try this rainbow. It's so colorful. Look at that. It's beautiful. Very sweet and tangy. Very sugary. Bad for your teeth. But I like it. It's good. So, definitely everything in here was good. Loved it. So October crate was awesome. I have the September crate, which is actually the 5-year anniversary crate. And I was just going to break it up since it came late, but maybe I'll just go ahead and do a big haul of the 5-year anniversary one too. If you want to see that, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, matane!